Welcome back. The stock on our radar is Tourism Finance Corporation of India, TFCI as we know it, was buzzing on Friday's trading session as the company got an RBI approval for change in shareholding as well as management. Remember, this would perhaps take the open offer that the company had, a couple of people had made way back in July being triggered due to this approval. So to discuss this and more, we have BM Gupta, the ED of the company, joining us now on the phone line. Mr. Gupta, if you could tell us, how long before the open offer actually goes through? This had come in July. Now with the RBI approval coming in, what is the sequence of events likely to be? Any other approvals pending?
No approval is pending now. Most probably in the first week of February, the open offer will be opened for subscription.
All right. So in the first week of February, and no regulatory approvals are required, right? Everything's done.
No further regulatory approval is needed, and all approvals are in place.
Okay.
And
it'll be a change of control. So new management will come in as well. Will there be some changes?
There will be certain inductions at the board level.
When will that happen?
That will be once the open offer is completed.
Completed.
It will take about another 2 months' time.
Okay. All right. So in the next 2 months or the open offer will be completed and, new management personnel as well will come on the board.
Yes.
Okay, all right. Mr. Gupta, if you could give us a few details. Besides this open offer, the street is trying to understand what is currently TFCI's loan book, and with the current capital that you have, without raising any fresh capital, what is the level you can raise this loan book to?
Today, the loan book size is approximately 1,700, 1,800 crores in that range. And
okay.
It can be easily raised to 3 times of this without raising any equity.
So that's around 5,000 crores?
5,000 crores.
5,000 crores.
Right. Mr. Gupta, 1,700 to 1,800 crores your loan book and can be scaled up to around 5,000 crores as you're saying without any further capital required. Yeah. If you could tell us a little about your balance sheet, the stress on your balance sheet of this loan book that you have, how many of your loans are non-performing, how many of them are under stress?
Today, if you look at in terms of non-performing, the gross non-performing loans are less than 4% of the total asset size. Okay. And there might be only 1 or 2 accounts which are under stress, but they are trying to resolve. They are not NPA, but definitely SMA.
What we're trying to get at is, will all of this be resolved before the new management takes control, or perhaps once the new management takes control, there could be a shake-up?
There are there's nothing. There are only 3 accounts in the NPA category. In one account, already the resolution has taken place. Next year, it will be upgraded. Another account will be resolved, will be totally paid off by July 2019. There is one account wherein we have moved already to NCLT.
Okay.
And most probably that also will get resolved by March, April.
If you could give us some numbers, sir, the account that is likely to get resolved in the near future, what is the size of that account?
Both these accounts will constitute about 1.5% of the
1.5. So in the next 6 months, you're telling us that if there is no further account that slips, your gross NPAs will...
gross NPA would be around 2.5%.
2.5%. Okay, all right. Now, we have the size of your loan book, as you told us, around 1,650 crores odd. Break it up for us.
1,800 crores. I told you 1,750.
1,750 crores. All right, 1,750 crores. Break it up for us. How much of it is tourism linked and how much of it is non-tourism linked? And if you could give us the approximate growth rates in both these two, segments?
Tourism linked is about 82-83%,
okay.
and 17-18% in other sectors. As on date, we are mainly increasing in tourism-related projects.
Okay.
So the growth is coming on the tourism side.
Earlier you had said, Mr. Gupta, that many NBFCs were interested in buying the company's stake, and now with the new management coming in, is there a possibility that an existing NBFC would perhaps buy the stake from the new management as well?
I'm not aware of any such discussions and any such probability.
Okay.
This is new management is coming. They are coming with a definitely plan that they would like to increase the size of the book and they would like to continue for.
And the existing employees, including you all will hold your jobs, or will the new management take over?
No, so far as the focus of Tourism Finance Corporation is concerned, it will continue to be on tourism related.
Okay.
The present staff is hardly about, we have a staff of about 30 people.
Okay.
And they are basically concentrated on tourism sector. So
Okay.
this segment is likely to continue.
Okay, very quickly.
There might be some addition.
Very quickly, Mr. Gupta, what is your disbursement target for the coming year? And if you could tell us, what are the current NIMs?
Current NIM is around 2.9%.
Okay.
And the target for disbursement is about 650 crores.
For which year?
This year.
FY19.
FY19.
All right, Mr. Gupta, we look forward to speaking to you on starting of the open offer. All the best. And in the next couple of months as well, once the new management comes into play, we'll keep an eye out on that. The stock is holding more or less flattish. Friday's trading session did see a bit of a pop on the back of this long-awaited open offer, getting some clarity. SEBI approval had come. Now the RBI approval as well has come. When we come back, we'll get chatting with the management of PSP Projects. Remember, they won a rather large order. Stay with us.